Repeat after me. I am fucking amazing. I am so awesome, even my shadow wants to follow me everywhere. I am a magnet for good luck and good fortune. I am blessed with my awesome looks. I am not getting older, I am getting better like a fine wine. I am a fucking superhero, everyone wants to be me. I never fail, I only learn. I believe in myself, I have the power to do anything. I don't care what other people think, 'cause I know I am fucking cool. I am at peace with myself. My time is limited, so I am not gonna spend it pretending to be someone else. I become what I think, therefore I think I am rich. I push my past away, so I can live in the now. I choose my own direction, no one can tell me what to do. Even though I am already fucking amazing, I am still constantly growing and improving as a person. I let go of all the things I don't give a shit about. I shut doors, so new ones can open. I see everything with my third eye and I trust my intuition. I am grateful for all the blessings in my life. I follow my dreams, I will never do anything I don't like. Problems do not exist, I only see solutions to my challenges. I protect my energy, I will never give it to shitty, energy-draining people. I know I don't know anything, that's why I keep an open mind and keep learning every day. Fuck shitty vibes, I am only surrounded by positive vibes. I am abundant and attract money like crazy. I can achieve anything. I am mentally and physically strong and attractive as fuck. I love myself, 'cause I am fucking amazing. I am ready to have it all. I go with the flow. I am worthy of success and prosperity. Everything comes back to me multiplied. I am powerful. I manifest the life I long for. I am free to do whatever the fuck I want. Nothing can stop me. I don't give a fuck about other people's opinions. I think for myself and don't let any external factors influence me. I follow the rhythm of my heart. I am not afraid to express myself. I am true to myself. I like myself so much, I am never lonely. I am the best thing that ever happened to me.